put a pigtail on and then wait for me, okay? The show is gonna start up and it's already finished. Only if you have a no hairbands. Take your hairbands off. Wait for me. I'm named Alonda. Hey, I'm named Susie. I'm named Alonda. Your name's Jasmine. What's your name? My name is Rainbow. My name is Dragonfly. My name is Butterfly Flower. What's your Flower? What's your Rainbow? My name is Dragonfly. Hi, Dragonfly. I changed names. I want her head to turn. Her head could turn. Okay, I will make it. Do you make her head turn? No. Why not can these ones? Can you make them turn?
I think some do, some don't.
Please, can you have it like this?